Hi guys, Kev here for Get Out of Your Comfort Zone TV, and special one today. It's going to be a little bit longer than normal. Going to start documenting our business and our life, the ups, the downs, the highs, the lows, all that kind of stuff. Started the business 6 weeks ago now. We love it, but let me tell you, there's ups and there's downs and there's highs and there's lows and everything in life. Well, today we get down to the nuts and bolts of life. Let's get into it really deep. Also, here we are, we're on the beach here at Coolangatta. Look at that beautiful sunset happening over there. Fantastic. So this is a lifestyle that we love, and it fits in with the business, and we can come here, go for walks on the beach, we can go running. We're going to Melbourne tomorrow for a few days, catch up with family, which would be great.
I think we've actually found a business that fits in with our lifestyle, and I think that's the key, rather than the lifestyle trying to fit in with the business. So that's what I think is happening here for us, which is fantastic.
Absolutely. Whew. Hey guys, beach is just beautiful today, loving it. Business. Me and Joy just started the business 6 weeks ago, June the 18th, 2018. It's now August the 1st, roughly 6 weeks. And let me tell you, when we first started, you know, you go through that excitement, that honeymoon period, you get really excited, it's fantastic, it's new, you're pumped up, you want to get stuck into it. And that lasts around about 4 weeks, and the honeymoon period wears off, and you start going through a few little downers. You know, is this the right business for me? Did I make the right decision? I'm not getting the leads. And here's the key. This is the real key to the whole thing. If you're in business or in life, this is the whole key. If you're doing something that you love, and if it's a business, if the products you're selling are products that you love, if you're working for someone and you love working there, you love the people you work with, you love what they're doing, the whole business, then you're going to get through those down times. You're going to get through them. If you don't, you're in a bit of strife. Because if you're going to work every day and you hate your boss, you hate the people you work with, you hate the products that you're selling, and you're going to have a horrible working life. So it might be time to perhaps change that business. But as I say, if you're doing something you love and the products you love, fantastic. So we had a bit of a downtime about 2 or 3 weeks ago. Just wasn't happening for us. I was starting to question myself, is this really what, you know, should we have invested in this business? And then I thought, hang on, we love this business. This is the sort of stuff that I love doing. I love sort of, you know, putting up Facebook ads, making videos on YouTube, you know, Instagram, Twitter, the whole box and dice. I love all that sort of stuff. So I love the products. It's in the self-development niche. So when I get down like that, and I was a bit down today actually. So this is all about making ourselves accountable. We're going to document what we're doing over the next 12 months, just to see what, you know, where we go, what we can do with it. So the key for me, when I've got a bit down, a little bit depressed, I think, oh, is this really going, you know, is this for us? What is this? What are we doing? You know what I do? I go and I watch a Casey Neistat video. Casey's amazing. Go and watch him. Every time I watch one of his videos, I learn something. And generally, when I'm feeling down about something, there's a message in one of his videos for me. It's there, it just appears. And I think, that's what I've got to be doing. I watch that, I get inspired, I go for a run. I've just been for a run now, done the steps up here at Greenmount. Really good, you know, there's 90 steps I've got to run up and down 10 times. It's fantastic. Then run back along the beach here, just beautiful. I'll go home, I'll do some meditation, and then I'm fired up again. I feel great. So whenever I feel down like that, it's Casey, run, meditation, and I feel fantastic again. It gets me going again. But like I say, the key is you have to love what you're doing, you've got to love the people you're around, and you've got to love your products. If you don't love your products, then what are you doing? There's no point doing it, because your heart's not in it. You're not going to be a success. You're just going to go along and you're just going to live life just plodding along without getting into the real game. And this is the real game. Being in business is the real game. Make no mistake about that. It's you against the world, basically. There's no backup. It's up to you. You're 100% responsible for the success or failure of that business. It all comes back to you. Me and Joy want to have the best team in this business. We want people who are as inspired as what we are, who are as passionate as what we are, who want to achieve success as much as we want to achieve success. They're the people we want in their business, and we're going to build the best team ever in this business. We are going to the top, baby. We are going to the top, and we're documenting it. Hope you'll be part of it. Keep watching these videos. Any questions you got, put them down below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel here. This is going to be one of the most inspiring channels in the world. And don't forget, watch Casey Neistat, because he's an inspiring young man. Speak to you soon.